infections and diseases. Now, this infection, sickness, and disease has caused man great danger, has caused man severe pain. Now, identifying the causes, identifying the problems, identifying the treatment also gives man a greater height towards these infections and diseases. Now, today we're going to be talking about cholera disease, the infection, the causes, how to treat them, the symptoms as well. So when we are talking about cholera infections or disease, these are infections that causes severe watery diarrhea, and they can lead to dehydration or even death if it's untreated. Now, the severity of this disease causes this problem. In the early 1900s in the USA, this disease were very prevalent due to the absence of a modern sewage system. This cholera disease can also be found in a place whereby there is an overcrowding, in a place where people are very much, the feeding there is low, the water system is very common, like they use it together. So it can also be found in such places. Example, some parts of the Africa, the Latin America, and the Southern Asia. So this is very prevalent in such area. So if you are traveling in any of this area, if you are traveling with your family, the best thing to know is having the cause of this infection, knowing how to treat them before you travel. Just have the knowledge of this cholera disease in hand. So that is it. Now let's talk about the causes of these infections and diseases. Now the causes of these infections and diseases can be outlined in the way that we have Vibrio cholera as a bacterium that causes this infection. So eating or drinking foods or drinks containing Vibrio cholera or organisms that contain Vibrio cholera can also be found in maybe eating water, drinking contaminated water, eating contaminated food like vegetables that is cultivated by water from a sewage, getting water from a sewage, that's a contaminated individual, the urine or the excreta, use it to grow vegetables. It can also cause cholera. You understand? Now, buying food or food and drink sold by street vendor can also cause cholera. You understand? So, or uncooked or undercooked meat or fish or seafood that is gotten can also cause cholera. So these are the things that causes cholera. Now let's talk about the symptoms of this cholera. Now remember that cholera is an infectious disease. It is prevalent in the world, some of the world. That's why we call it an epidemic disease. Now when we are talking about symptoms of this cholera disease is accompanied by dehydration. So when we are talking about symptoms, let's talk about symptoms of dehydration, because dehydration is the first thing that you have. You know that yes, I'm infected with cholera diseases. So when we're talking about some of the symptoms, you can say dry mucous membrane, we have thirst, low blood pressure, muscle cramps. These are some of the symptoms. When you have these symptoms, when you possess some of these symptoms, just have in mind that you are infected with cholera disease. Because symptoms of, when we're talking about cholera disease, the first thing there is what? Dehydration. It comes with your body dehydrating. Understand? So now let's talk about the prevention or the treatment of this cholera disease. First of all, you must know that your body must be hydrated, because hydration is the mainstay here. Your body must be hydrated as a result of that. Like, you need to be hydrated so that you can finish the work of this dehydration. Because cholera first is accompanied by dehydration. So to prove it, to counter cholera disease in your body must be hydrated. Now also boil your water. When you are in this locality, you must learn to boil your water before you eat. Boil water to cook. Boil your water also to drink. Boil your water to wash your face. Boil water to brush your teeth. You understand? So boil water for up to 1 to 3 minutes. All these things, all your life processes, you must boil your water. Now, in case you have been infected with this cholera disease, also vaccine is required. The Center for Disease Control and the WHO organization have discovered who and how to administer this vaccine. So the mainstay for this word, the mainstay for this teaching is for you to have the knowledge of cholera, know how to treat it, know the causes, and know how to prevent it. So I believe with this little video that you understand and you will know how your environment is, learn how to abstain from these diseases. If you are living in any of this area aforementioned, learn to behave in a sanitary environment, learn to be very healthy, take